A lot of times people will ask me, how do I start my speech? And they should ask, because a lot of times I'll see speakers start off by saying, thank you for having me. It's lovely to be here. How's everyone doing? And that's going to make you forgettable. You want to be memorable when you start your speech. You want to make sure that you hook people right away. So here are 5 ways to do that. Number 1, the you-focused question. Ask them a question that gets them focused on their own lives right away, that they have to participate. Do that, you're going to get them right away. Number 2, a quote. Now you want to be careful with a quote, because you don't want to just use something cliche that everyone said before. You want to have a quote that ties into your content, and then you want to share your perspective on that quote as well, to make it not just a quote, but a quote that is tied to you. Number 3, this is an amazing way to start a speech. Get right into your story. The first words out of your mouth, start with the story. Even better, start with the problem within your story, the conflict within your story. You'll get people right away. Number 4, you can start with a statistic. Some statistic that's going to get people thinking, oh my gosh. And a statistic that presents a problem that people need to change, or that you're going to help change with your keynote, is even better. And finally, some type of custom callback. Now this one takes a little bit more bravery to do, but if you are at an event, or you're traveling to a different city and something happened on the way to the event, or you heard someone say something that made people react, whether they laughed or cried, you can call back to that at the beginning of your speech, and that creates a powerful connection moment. It takes some bravery because you're going to change your speech. However, it is an amazing way to start that will make you memorable. Remember those 5 ways and no more, hey, how's everyone doing? Start memorable, be memorable.